Past few months, there have been a bunch of UX UI design courses that have launched, along with AI-powered courses. Some of these platforms help you learn via games and quizzes and challenges. So without further ado, let's just get started. Now, UXpeak is a relatively new platform where it's more about visual learning and gamified lessons than, basic text or videos. On the new platform, you'll find a bunch of free as well as pro courses. For example, make any UI look premium. Visual decisions to minimalism to card, shadows, UI design, animations, typography, and all of this is done in a visual style. So you can actually see the before and after of a design change or a design decision with explanation for each of these designs. You can actually learn through real world experiences, UIs, etc. They even include before and after of major websites like Framer, Apple, Adobe, and show you how different design decisions have been made, all in a nice bulleted list and points. Just in one mission, so as to say, or a one game, you have close to 12 lessons. There are a lot of different categories: user psychology, conversions, visual design, playbook, which is essentially an ebook on learning UX and UI design. They also have a free preview. They have a bunch of resources as well. A lot of resources that you find here, you'll find there too. An Indian company recently launched something called Portfolio Builders, which is trying to empower tech and design careers. They have unique internships that they have designed with companies, but for learners, they have a free course including a scholarship program. So again, you can get the scholarship or take one of their many free courses online. For example, this UX UI design course has 6 modules, can take 16 weeks, so it's a very extensive course. You can see all the different modules and all the elements that each module consists of, and they just distribute this via WhatsApp. So if you're interested in one of their free courses, you just type in "start learning free." They will offer you the free courses. Then later on, if you like one of their paid courses, you can go for it. Otherwise, stick with the free courses. Designers are using this AI tool for UX research, smart meeting transcriptions, and even using it as a second brain. This is called Ticnote Cloud, and it's perfect for UX design tasks, from research and user interviews to creating organized research reports and PDFs, converting design feedback into to-do lists and notes, and even PRDs into beautiful web presentations. One feature that helps this tool stand out is the Shadow AI chat feature. You can just create a new project, import audio recordings, documents, even videos. You can use Shadow Agent inside this project to generate various UX reports, a complete presentation out of the data, and even interactive quizzes. You can even ask it to generate all of this in a particular visual style. So if you want something simple and minimal or bold, you can ask it to do that. And this tool will create something beautiful and easy to understand based on that visual style. I used a prompt based on this user interview recording, generate a structured UX research report with executive summary, key user pain points, behavioral patterns, design ideas and recommendations, and even next steps. And the format, I kept interactive HTML and not Markdown. I got this great HTML website to present all my research reports, graphs, and organized data, which I can easily share with my team and even publish as a link. I will have the link to what I generated down in the description if you want to check it out. Ticnote Cloud also has many well-made templates with which you can get your UX projects organized, like mind maps for your meeting notes, charts from user research data, and presentations from usability test reports. Ticnote Cloud is completely free to start using. I will have a link in the description to try out Ticnote Cloud today. Thank you, Ticnote Cloud, for sponsoring this video and making all this content possible. A new design challenge has been launched by Design Course, and his platform, Design Course, actually has this 2026 AI native design challenge going on with 21 challenges that can take 30 days to complete. So an entire month of free learning. He does a lot of hands-on stuff, as you can see, via video. He offers you a template to kind of follow along as well, along with the videos and everything. And each challenge comes with its own lessons. So before you actually upload, and you can consider these ways of testing yourself out as well. So you have a dedicated profile. So you can see like you have an entire dashboard with all the courses. You can check out any of his other courses, let's just say the CSS course, and it will be added to your dashboard. Adobe certification. Now, this is a very unique plethora of not only courses, but tests and quizzes to certify you an expert at different design tools. So if you want to be certified in, let's just say, content creation marketing using Adobe Express, you can check out their entire guide onto this, as well as the exam. Each exam comes with its own set of tutorials. You can take a practice test to get started with that particular skill, or you can take an entire online or offline exam. But apart from that, they've also released a bunch of courses on Coursera for free as well. For example, you want to learn Adobe Firefly for AI design. That means a bunch of these Adobe courses are now available via Audit. I will have a link on how you can get these courses for free as well. Apart from the links of this course itself, they have a plethora of courses for all different kinds of skills and tools. So if you're looking to learn an Adobe tool, things like gradients and color effects is a general course that you can take, and you can either use Adobe's tool or Figma. So this new platform called Honen is really cool. Essentially an AI platform which creates courses for all different kinds of things. It could be a portfolio design course if you're looking to learn how to design a better portfolio, or a UX design course, or a research course. It builds a course from the ground up. The course looks something like this. A lot of graphs and images to help you learn better, with a bunch of text, which can be turned into audio as well. If you like listening to podcasts or videos, this can do it as well. And it prepares a bunch of quizzes too, so you can test out whether you're good at that skill yet or not. It has a very friendly interface, very similar to something like ChatGPT, and you just explain the kind of things that you're trying to learn. You can even attach PDFs, YouTube videos, or connect to things like Notion, etc. Pretty cool platform. Check it out. It's free to start using, and it has a bunch of cool features that you can explore. A new Figma course is here in town. It's called the Figma Full Course for 2026. It just launched. It goes extremely in-depth and helps you create actual projects from web design to app design. You can check this out. It's 100% free. Free code camp for the win once again. The next one is from UX Academy London. And yes, they often have free sessions, seminars, and webinars all on their platform. For example, this one is happening on 1st September. It's free of cost, live on Zoom for 2 hours. And Natalia is going to cover a bunch of things in UX design. How important a portfolio is. And if you're a beginner in design, this could be your starting point. It's a free masterclass. I suggest go grab it. Register now so that you're in line and you get notified. Design System University is one-of-a-kind platform because it's literally just design systems. Everything to do with design systems. And I believe I have referred this a while back. Make design systems people want to use. 12 video episodic kind of guide created by actual experts, as you can see. And they cover everything from beginner to intermediate to advanced. The advanced stuff is paid, definitely. These basics of design systems you can cover for free here. They also have a bunch of articles, and they even have like a book club that you can join. Various templates which are completely free that you can check out, which will help you during their courses. So go check out Design System University. I think it's really cool. They have both paid and free stuff. For beginners, it's all free. Udacity is very well known for nano degrees and actual extensive paid courses, but they have a recent product design course which is absolutely 100% free. This course was last updated on May 11th, which is very recent, and it covers a lot of the theory that a lot of self-taught designers like me have also missed on. As you can see, they have a complete dashboard. Look at how many different concepts they're teaching in each chapter just by going here. Each one has a video lesson, so the instructor actually takes you through each topic one by one, a quiz which is attached to this, as you can see right here. You can take the quiz, and something called Marvin AI, which is Udacity's AI, which you can ask questions side by side. You don't have to go to Google to research stuff. Hundreds of different concepts, principles being taught. I suggest go grab it. You don't have to give anything, no credit card, no nothing. It's 100% free, no strings attached. UX Writing Hub, good friends of ours, launched something called AI for UX design. Now this, as you can see, base level course, but a great starting point if you're just getting started in AI writing for UX professionals, ChatGPT for UX designers and writers, and a bunch of other things. Self-paced and literally just sends you all the resources in an email. Okay, I have launched a UX design course on Udemy, which is popular for certification. So if you want to get certified using AI tools like Google Stitch and Google AI Studio, if you want to build a real product, wireframes to design, to refining the design and creating a design system, I actually will have an exclusive discount link down in the description. You can check it out. I put it up on sale too, so you get a really cool discount. You know my teaching style already, so this is something that you can always take up, complete it, and you'll get a certificate as well that you can show up on LinkedIn and whatnot. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. If you liked today's video, make sure you hit the thumbs up. That way you can support the channel for free. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't for weekly design content and resources just like this one. And I'll see you in the next. Until next time, take care. God bless.